Hi team, good day. We are going to share the solution that we had built within a day as part of the Build Together AI Hackathon Melbourne community. So our solution is for Packet Philosopher, which is an AI tool, a companion without soul, which can offer you philosophical advices when you are in a different mood. So you can reach out and get the advice from this. So we are AI builder community. So we are a team of four, and we had explored ourselves to brainstorm to come to this solution. So the project scope that we are having is like creating a philosophical AI that can be accessible from the web, but it can be extended in future towards Android, iOS platforms as well. Even though in this world there are many different types of philosophies are available, but due to time limitation we had restricted our scope to only three: Eastern philosophy, as well as Stoicism and existentialism. And we wanted to build it as a therapy chat interface, so that way user can reach out anytime whenever they are feeling dull, so excited, or what is going through in their system. They can try to get details from the by using the LLM model. And to gamify it, yeah, it will provide a score like a happiness rating as well. So that's what we had built it. And our technical solution is like for the front end, we had mainly used Next.js and Radix UI, and also the Tailwind CSS. And the front end communicates with the back end, which is mainly built in Python with Flask for giving the API provisions. And also this, this internally invokes the LangChain for the LLM model. And the LangChain model that we have chosen is Cohere AI. So from the front end, the request will come to the back end and then interacts with the Cohere AI through different agents. So this is what our architecture. So when human decides which philosopher to chat with, is having an option to choose this. He can choose either Eastern philosopher or Stoic or extensionalist. And once he chooses that philosopher and provided his question, it will go on the execute that LLM model to get his happiness rating based on the message he had typed and the tone he had typed. And it will provide the diagnosis. So these are the different agents we had built it: the Eastern philosopher and the Stoic extensionalist, and happiness rating agent, a diagnosis agent, and which internally prescribes the treatment or next steps to be proceeded with. So once the details is being provided, it will go and check if the human still wants to chat with the philosopher. If they still want to continue, they can post further more questions, or if they want to choose the different philosopher, they can very well choose as well. So that option we get enabled it. So without further ado, let me move on to the demo. So this is our applications. Once we execute the front end and back end, we'll get that the user details it will collect. Welcome to the Packet Philosopher, and enter your name. I'm just giving my name, this one. And here you can see all the chats that you had interacted with, in case if you had already communicated, or you can go and very well change your settings by changing your name, what you want to display. And here you can select that typing your message, and once you type it, you can send the message here. So you can choose which philosopher you want to select it. So either one of them you can choose it. So I am currently choosing Eastern Guru. Hello. So it will select that, okay, selected philosopher, and whatever the question it is provided. It is making connection with Cohere AI and responding it back. Okay. I'm feeling so excited about my presentation today. it is going and passing the details, which category it needs to go and invoke, which agent it has to invoke, and passing on the user input that I had sent across, and it will process in the backend and give me that details along with my happiness score. If you see here, when I initially put that, it doesn't know what is my happiness score. That's why it put just 0%, and I'm here to provide the support. And thanks, your happiness score is 5%. Deep breathing exercise, positive visualization, or excellent. Okay, thanks. Next, I'll move on to the Stoic tutor, and I am feeling extreme tired and no energy at all. So sometimes when we are so exhausted, we would like to talk with someone, but we are not expecting anything to hear from them, right? We want something to listen. So we can pour all our thoughts into this bucket philosopher, and we can see what the world's best philosophers are giving advice to us. So again, it is the Stoic tutor. It is trying to make this a new agent connection, and it is interacting. And from here, we are getting this. Okay, thanks. Because I had put that extreme tired, I'm getting the negative score. Your happiness score is -3%. The below are the treatment I am recommending. Okay, if you want to proceed, you can go ahead. So like that, the user can take an action from this, and if they want to proceed with this, any one of that, they can very well go about it. Can you give me a schedule for my hydration? Because in this, one of the steps is like it is advising for the hydration, right? So that's why I'm asking, can you give me a schedule for my hydration? Let me see what's this philosopher is going to advise me. Okay, and if he is able to provide me the better timetable, that I can very well follow it, right? So that's what we are trying to make use of all the latest LLM models, which can make our life easier. So that way we can live a better life and no need to worry about our physical health as well as mental health. See, here you go. See, I'm sorry I can't, because I asked it's a schedule, okay, and that's why I can't provide a happiness analysis for this conversation as there is no human present. Please provide me with some context of between the human and the philosopher, okay? So 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m., all the schedule, if you would like to follow, you can very well do it. Okay, so next one, I am asking this extensionalist. Hello, I am feeling just tightness and unable to move around. Can you advise me what I am going through? Because most of the time we are getting panic, right? So when we are our physical body is not supporting, so we are getting panic, right? So that's why. So now the philosopher extensionalist has been selected, and it is passing the initial message hello. See, your prescription based on this you have not provided because it didn't for communicate anything. Okay, I am putting again. I am feeling a chest tightness and unable to breathe. Can you advise me what I am going through? So now the whole question is sent to the extractionalist, and he is asking, he is pondering, okay, this is your user input. What is the happiness score? Because if he is extremely happy, definitely he can't get this health issue, right? So that's why it will immediately identify its happiness score, but still it is consulting with the extensionalist, world's best philosophers, and it is going to provide you the the best outcome. So see here, your happiness is minus 5% treatment given range of possible conditions. Your anxiety to respiratory issues and something severe, go and seek medical attention and medication therapy, lifestyle changes, monitoring and follow up, and emergency preparedness. So these are all we would like to show you, okay? And I will move on to this next one. So what are the reflections we had it like we how we started out to do, and does it mean what the result is, and we had a team ideas and agreeability, and we everyone focused on different areas. So one of our team member focused on mainly building the backend for connecting with the LLM models, and other two were mainly focusing for building the front ends, and which LLM model we can go ahead with. So within one day, what best we can achieve it with a smaller scope, with a has a better outcome, and contributing for building the better world. So that's what we had done, and it was really a great teamwork. We had done it, and we are really proud of it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask us. And in the meantime, I'll just quickly go and show our code. Give me a second. Code. Yeah. So our packet guru is having both front end and back end. So these are the back end code, and we are having a different agents which interacts with different LLM model, different conversation it is going to invoke, and this front end is mainly taking care of the loading the page, and from there what are the different communication it can make it, and also different components we had built it with a chat interface and the UI interface and all the communications. Feel free to ask us any questions anytime, and thank you. We got shared our code in the GitHub repository, and reach out us anytime. Thank you.